The 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air is listed at $16,000 and remains mostly original. It features a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. The body is described as very solid with no rust, and it has a 10-gallon fuel cell installed in the trunk. The car has 84,000 miles and runs perfectly with no leaks or mechanical issues. The paint is rated at 7.5 out of 10, showing some imperfections but still presenting well. It is currently registered and comes with a bill of sale. The car was appraised at $22,000, but is being sold quickly at a lower price. The 1940 Buick Special is priced at $18,500 and is described as running and driving strong. It retains most of its original components with only minor updates. The body is completely solid from front to back, including the undercarriage. The car has been well cared for and remains in excellent condition. The vehicle comes with a clear title in the seller's name, and shipping arrangements can be made if necessary. The 1945 Dodge pickup is listed at $22,000 and is a rare all-original half-ton model with rear-wheel drive. It is powered by an inline 6-cylinder engine and runs and drives perfectly. This truck is a civilian model produced during World War II, known as a blackout model due to the wartime restrictions on chrome, stainless, and other bright trim materials. The seller is open to trades for other classic cars. Don't miss out on more vintage gems. Hit like and subscribe to join the ride. The 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxie Skyliner is priced at $39,000 and features a retractable hardtop. It is powered by a 352 V8 engine and has a well-maintained engine bay. The motor starts easily on the first key turn and delivers strong power on the road. The car is equipped with power steering and brand new power disc brakes. The paint is in good condition with only a few small blemishes. The retractable hardtop mechanism functions properly, raising and lowering as it should. The interior is well preserved, maintaining the original pattern, and includes a working stereo. The 1955 Ford Customline is listed at $27,000. It is powered by either a 223 CID inline-6 or a 272 CID Y-block V8, with horsepower ranging from 120 to 162 and torque between 212 and 258 pound-feet. It features a conventional ignition system and runs a 3-speed manual transmission with rear-wheel drive. Performance specs include a 0 to 60 time of 12 to 15 seconds, a quarter-mile time of 18 to 20 seconds, and a top speed between 90 and 100 miles per hour. The car has an aftermarket hydraulic steering system and a carbureted fuel system, delivering an estimated fuel efficiency of 15 to 20 miles per gallon. The 1956 Ford Thunderbird is listed at $40,000 and has undergone a complete frame-off restoration. It features new tires, a completely new air conditioning system, and a new radiator. The engine is a rebuilt 312 cubic inch V8 with a fuel injection system. The suspension has been upgraded with heavy-duty components. It includes a 15-inch steering wheel along with the original factory steering wheel. The braking system has been entirely replaced, and the car is equipped with a radio. The 1955 Dodge C3 is priced at $11,000 and features a 318 cubic inch engine. The truck runs great and presents well for its 70-year age. The odometer shows 89,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and is finished in red with a gray interior. The seller is only accepting cash offers with no trades. The vehicle comes with a clean title. The 1955 Packard Clipper is listed at $15,900 and has had only one owner since new. It has 46,000 miles and is powered by a strong-running V8 engine with a smooth-shifting Ultramatic transmission. The car is completely original and comes with all the original paperwork. It is described as being capable of highway speeds and is a great cruiser. The seller states that once someone drives it, they will want to buy it. The car comes with a clean title. The 1917 Ford Model T pickup is priced at $16,500 and is in excellent condition. It retains all original sheet metal and has been upgraded to a 12-volt electrical system with both an electric starter and a hand crank. The truck runs and drives great and has undergone extensive work. It presents well and is a favorite at car shows. The 1960 Rambler Cross Country is listed at $4,200 and is a rare station wagon model. It is powered by a straight-six engine and features a 3-speed manual transmission with a column shifter. The car runs smoothly and shifts well. It has new tires and a luggage rack. The original radio is still functional and all of the chrome trim is intact. The body is primed and nearly ready for paint. The interior is mostly original, with the rear seat in great condition, though the front seat bottom requires reupholstering. The car needs a heater core, a wiper motor, and some minor repairs, including fixing a whine in the rear end. The gas cap needs to be reinstalled, but all necessary parts are included. The 1929 Essex Super 6 is listed at $35,500 and has undergone a complete off-frame restoration. The frame has been powder-coated and upgraded with Corvette suspension, coilovers, and a rack and pinion power steering system. It is powered by a small block engine bored 20 over, fitted with aluminum dart heads featuring large valves, a steel crank and rods, and a small block Chevy serpentine belt system. The engine is paired with a 350 turbo transmission. Additional features include air conditioning and heat, a Bluetooth radio, and a modernized yet classic appearance. The 1960 Rambler American is priced at $8,000 and is a four-door sedan. The flathead six-cylinder engine was completely rebuilt approximately 25,000 miles ago, and after the rebuild, the car was driven from California to Maryland. It was repainted in its original color, and the bumpers were re-chromed. Interior work includes new door cards. The exhaust system was replaced around 6 years ago, and a new battery was installed last month. The car is equipped with a 3-speed manual column shift transmission and is described as being suitable for daily driving. The 1927 Austin 7 Chummy is listed at $10,500 and is an early example of the popular British microcar. It retains a magneto ignition system and can be started using the push-button starter or the hand crank method. The body consists of an ash-wrapped alloy structure, a steel hood, and steel fenders. The canvas top remains intact, and the interior is largely original. The car was previously part of a museum collection before being purchased at auction a few years ago. It includes a rare rear luggage rack. The seller describes it as a great conversation starter and an eye-catching car for local outings. The 1951 Ford F1 is priced at $24,800 and is in very good condition. It runs and drives well with a 1998 Ford Explorer V6 engine and matching transmission. It is equipped with air conditioning, heat, and disc brakes. The truck comes with a Georgia title and is described as being well sorted with modern upgrades for a smoother driving experience. The 1926 Auburn 888 is listed at $30,500 and is described as a barn find in museum quality condition. It has been preserved with many original features intact. The seller states that there are too many additional details to list and encourages potential buyers to call for more information. It is currently stored near Hopkins Airport in Cleveland, Ohio. The 1957 Ford F-100 is priced at $14,900 and has been built as a Restomot. The truck body is mounted on a 2005 Mercury drivetrain, featuring a 4.6-liter V8 engine and four-wheel drive. It includes cruise control and climate control, though the air conditioning requires a recharge. The truck runs and drives great and has a faux patina finish. It comes with a clean title. The 1948 Chevrolet Fleetmaster is listed at $20,000 and has been modified with a fresh 305 small block Chevy engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. It has a 10-bolt Chevrolet rear end, exhaust headers, air conditioning, power brakes, and power steering. The Mustang II front clip provides an upgraded suspension along with front disc brakes. Additional upgrades include new brake cylinders and hoses, 4 new tires, a heavy-duty radiator, and a 12-volt electrical system. The seller describes it as driving like a new car. The 1957 Chevrolet 3100 is priced at $25,000 and is a driver-quality classic truck. The seller has owned it for 16 months but needs more garage space. Originally equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, the previous owner swapped in a 350 V8 with a TH350 automatic transmission. It features front disc brakes, and the rear end is reportedly from an S10. Recent upgrades include a new power brake booster mounted on the firewall, a radiator, a harness, a digital gauge cluster, a new alternator, fuel pump, and water pump. The fuel tank has been relocated under the bed, and the truck rides on American racing wheels. It runs great but does not have power steering or air conditioning. The 1931 Ford Model A is listed at $31,500 and has been modified into a hot rod with a chopped roof. It features new tires, updated steering components with a cross-steer rack and pinion system, a chrome tilt steering column, and a Holley Sniper 2 EFI system. Additional upgrades include disc brakes, a new starter, and a drivetrain sourced from a 1995 Mustang, consisting of a 302 cubic inch engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The car is described as being in excellent driving condition with no issues. The 1927 Ford Model A Roadster is priced at $20,000 and has a 3-speed manual transmission. The carburetors were recently rebuilt and a new fuel pump was installed. The exhaust system includes an additional pipe underneath that allows for an exhaust bypass. The engine is believed to produce 350 horsepower. The car runs well and offers a vintage open-top driving experience.